Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Now, question number 4 of the exercise 6.2. What is asked? Find the sum of. Find the sum of. Sum of matlab plus. Addition. So, what is given? 137 plus minus 354. 354. So, 137 as it is plus क्या प्लस करना है -354. So first figure as it is plus minus जा -354. Here 137 of the positive integer and minus 354 is negative. Both sign are different, so we will do the sum of subtraction. 354 में से 137 माइनस करेंगे. 14 में से 7 गया 7, 4 इधर बचेगा, इधर 4 में से 3 गया 1. क्या आंसर आएगा? 17. तो 3 में से 2 गया तो 3 में से 1 गया तो आंसर आएगा 2. अगर हम 354 में से 137 माइनस करते हैं तो 217 आंसर आएगा. बस डिसरिगार्डिंग द साइन, which figure is greater, 137 or 354? 354 is greater, so answer will come negative 217. But which of the minus? Minus 217 is our answer. Next sum is minus 54 to and plus क्या करना है 52. First figure as it is minus 52. Here plus, here no sign is given, then we will consider it as positive. If no sign is given, then we have to consider that digit as positive digit. So plus plus ja plus 52. Now see here, both sign are different. So we had to do the sum of minus. 52 में से 52 गया, answer is 0. And you know it very well that 0 is neither positive nor negative. So there is no need to put any sign before the 0. 0 is our answer. Okay. Now C number. What is given? Minus 312, 39 and 192. What we have to do? We have to do the addition of all these numbers. So minus 312 क्या करना है प्लस 39 और उसमें प्लस करना है 192. You know it. First digits as it is. First as it is. Now देखिए इसमें प्लस माइनस 312 प्लस 39 प्लस 192. पहले आप पॉजिटिव फिगर्स को दोनों को आगे ले आइए. प्लस 39 प्लस 192 माइनस 312. पहले हम पॉजिटिव दोनों फिगर को ऐड करेंगे क्योंकि दोनों में सेम साइन मिली हुई है. 9 प्लस 2 11, 9 प्लस 1 10, 10 प्लस 3 13, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2. Answer is 231. Now it is the turn of minus 312. It is turn of minus 312. Here 231 of the positive and 312 A number is of the negative. Both sign are different. So we will do the subtraction. 312 में से 231 माइनस करेंगे. 2 में से 1 गया 1, 1 में से 3 नहीं जाएगा तो हम कैरी करेंगे. इधर 11 में से 3 गया तो 8 और इधर बचेगा 2. 2 में से 2 गया तो 0. So answer will come 81. But which 81? Positive or negative? Disregarding the sign, which number is greater? 312 is greater. So the answer will come in negative. The answer is minus 81. Same as here. First figure minus 50. What we had to do? Addition of minus 200 plus addition of 300. Okay. Now see here. First figure minus 50 as it is. Plus minus ja minus 200 plus ja 300. Because here no sign is given, we will consider it as positive. Here both sign of minus. We already learned that both sign of minus, we have to both add these both number. As we from the at the number line, if we move from minus 50, we have to move to the left side of the minus 50 to separate the minus 200, and we will get the figure, a negative figure. So minus 50 minus 200, that means 250. Which sign will come? Negative sign will come. Now what is given? Plus 300. Plus 300. Now see both signs are differ. So what will we have to do? The summa subtraction. The summa subtraction. 300 में से 250 गया, answer will come. But which sign we have to put in the answer? Disregarding the sign, which number is greater? 300. So answer will come positive. There, if the digit is only figure 1, then we no need to put the sign of the positive before it. It is already considered that it is positive number. So 50 is our answer. 50 is our answer. Now it is turn of next question. Question number 5 of the exercise number 6.2. Here also given, find the sum. Find the sum. In question, what is given? A minus 7 plus minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. Okay. First figure as it is minus 7 plus minus ja minus 9 plus 4 plus 16 plus की digit इधर minus की digit इधर. Okay. Now both sign of minus, then we will add these figures. I already told you that if we minus 9 from the minus 7, we have to move from minus 7 to left side of this, the minus 7. Then we will get the negative integer. So its answer is minus 16. And 16 plus 4, answer will come plus 20. Now we get minus 16 plus 20. Both signs are differ. So we will do the summa subtraction. minus 16 से अगर नंबर लाइन पे आप प्लस 20 करोगे, राइट साइड जाओगे तो आप कहाँ पहुँचोगे? 4 पे. एंड कौन से 4 पे पहुँचोगे? पॉजिटिव प्लस 4 पे पहुँचेंगे. सो सेम एज इन दिस नंबर 20 में से 16 गए 4, डिसरिगार्डिंग द साइन 20 is greater, so its plus sign will come. So answer is 4. Now next one is B number. Plus minus 2 plus minus 65 plus minus 8. 37 plus minus 2 plus minus 65 plus minus 8. Okay. Now first figure, as it is 37 plus minus ja minus 2 plus minus ja minus 65 plus minus ja minus 8. Okay. Here the 37 is only positive figure, rest of figures are negative. तो 37 positive, दो फिगर करके करिए 65 और 2, -2 में से -65 करोगे तो हम नंबर लाइन पर लेफ्ट साइड जाएंगे तो हमको नंबर नेगेटिव मिलेगा। तो इस वजह से ये दोनों फिगर्स क्या हो जाएगी, प्लस 65 plus 2 67. First of all write down 67. Afterwards you have to put the sign, because you have to put the sign carefully, otherwise your sum will be wrong. Now disregarding the sign, which one is greater? 65 is greater, so the answer will come minus. Now here minus 8. Now when we do the sum, 37, here both figure of minus, just like as this, 7 plus 8 15, ऊपर 6 plus 1 75. Which sign will come? Minus sign will come. Now what is result? 37 minus 75. Both sign of the different, so it will become the sum of subtraction. 37 से -75 नंबर लाइन पे करोगे तो आप लेफ्ट साइड जाओगे तो आंसर माइनस में आएगा। सेम दिस 15 दैट्स 75 में से 37 माइनस करना है, 5 में से 7 नहीं जाएगा। अब यहाँ से एक कैरी करेंगे तो 15 में से 7 गए 8 और यहाँ पे 6 में से 3 जाएंगे तो आंसर आएगा 3। ओके, 15 में से 7 गए 8 और इधर बचेगा 6 में से 3 गए तो आंसर आएगा 3। बट विच साइन यू हैव टू पुट इन द आंसर? माइनस, बिकॉज by disregarding the sign 75 is greater than the 37. It is our answer. Okay, now it is turn out 6.3, in which question number 1 find. In this we are also add or subtract the numbers without using number line. So let's start. First is A. It is given 35 minus 20. So 35 as it is minus, because here no sign is given, then we will consider it as positive. So minus plus ja minus what? 20. Yeah, okay. Result 35 minus 20. Both are of the different sign. 35 are for the positive and 20 is of negative. So 35 में से 20 गए, answer will come 15. Which answer will come? Positive, because we have to put the sign of the greater figure by disregarding the sign. So 35 is greater than 20. So answer is 15. Now next one, B. 72 as it is minus, and here no sign is given, it will consider positive. So minus plus ja minus. 90. What result come when we had opened the bracket? It is minus 90. So both are of the different sign. We will do the sum of subtraction. 90 में से 72 गए, आंसर विल 18. 0 में से 2 नहीं जाएगा, कैरी करेंगे. 10 में से 2 गए 8, इधर 8 बचा, 8 में से 7 गए 1. But which 18? Minus 18. Why? Disregarding the sign. Disregarding the sign, 90 is greater than 72. So answer is minus 18. Same like this. Now it is turn of number C. First figure minus 15 as it is. First figure as it is. Next, what is given? Minus. And in bracket also minus is given. So minus minus ja plus. Minus minus ja plus. Result minus 15 plus 18. Minus 15 plus 18. Both digits of the different sign. So we will do the sum of subtraction. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर माइनस 15 से आप प्लस 18 की तरफ जाओगे तो राइट साइड तो जाओगे लेकिन फिगर इनसे कम आएगी आंसर में. तो 18 में से 15 माइनस गए, आंसर 3. बट विच 3? minus 3 or plus 3? The answer will come plus 3 as 18 is greater than minus 15. It is our answer. It is our answer. Now it is turn of sum D. Sum D. What is given? Minus 20. Minus 20 is as it is. Here minus is given and as there is no sign in the bracket, it will be considered as positive. So minus plus ja minus what come 13. So here minus 20 minus 13. If both figures are of negative, so we have to add the both figures, but we have to put the sign of minus in the answer, because when you are going to subtract 13 from minus 20 on number line, you have to move from minus 20 to the left side. So answer will come negative. So 0, 3, 3, 2, 1 plus 30. 3 is our answer. Sign come minus because disregarding the figure 20 is greater. And simply we can say if both signs are same, that we have to put the sign which is given. Now number E. 23 here minus. In bracket also given minus. So minus minus ja plus. What will come? 12. 23 plus 12. It is simple sum of the addition. 3 plus 2 5. 2 plus 1 3. The answer will come 35. Now next question F. What is given first? Minus 32 in the bracket, but we know it very well that first figure as it is. First figure as it is. Now what is given? Minus, and in bracket also minus is given. What you have to do? Here minus minus ja. Minus minus ja plus. Minus minus ja plus what? 40. What we get now? Minus 32 plus 40. minus 32 plus 40. Here both signs are different. So what will we have to do? We will do the sum of subtraction. 40 में से 32 गए तो answer will come 8. But which answer? Minus 8 or plus 8? The answer will come plus 8. By disregarding the figure sign, the 40 is greater. So answer will come positive. Answer is 8. Okay.